Dear students, we will do module 79. This is computation of income from other sources part 2. In this module also we will do two problems. Let us see how we will do the problems. Mr. B, who is a resident of India, has submitted the following particulars about his investments for the year ending 31/3/25. Compute his taxable income from other sources. So 10,000 units of a mutual fund, gross income rupees 1,200. Second, rupees 3,000 in a post office savings bank account which earns interest at the rate of 4% per annum. 3,000. Rupees 45,000 in a fixed deposit with ABC Bank on which interest at the rate of 9% is payable. 45,000. 12%, 40,000 debentures listed of a tea company, again 40,000. Rupees 2,000 interest received on national development bonds 2,000. Rupees 1,000 interest received on the debentures of a cooperative society 1,000. 10% UP State Electricity Board bonds rupees 20,000. Rupees 10,000 in 7-year post office national savings certificates. Interest at the rate of 7% per annum is payable in the same every year. Rupees 36,000, 10% tax-free debentures of Agra Municipal Corporation. Interest is payable on 31st December, 36,000. Rupees 900 received as an account payee check as debenture interest of a limited company in which the public are substantially interested. He had collected the interest by himself and claimed rupees 200 as his own fees for collecting the interest. This amount is not allowed because when bank is collecting, collection charges are allowed. Interest on post office national savings certificates 8th issue 5,000. Now let us see how we will do. So first one is mutual fund. Mutual fund, the value is 1,200. 1,200. Second is income from post office savings bank account. This is the value given is 3,000 in the problem. Up to 3,500 it's exempted. But they can claim if more than 3,500 if it is there, they can claim as deduction under section 80 TTA that we will learn in general deductions. Third is interest on fixed deposit. So interest on fixed deposit, you have to calculate the value 45,000 into 9 by 100. Value is 4,050. 4,050. Next is 12% rupees 40,000 debentures of a tea company. This also you have to calculate 40,000 into 12 by 100. Value is 4,800. 4,800. Next is interest received on national development bonds. There is no TDS. The value is 2,000. 2,000. Next is interest received on debentures of a cooperative society. Taxable 1,000. 1,000. Next is 10% UP State Electricity Board. So 20,000 into 10 by 100, 2,000. 2,000. Next is interest on post office national savings certificates. It's exempted. Next is tax-free debentures of Agra Municipal Corporation to be grossed up. 36,000 tax-free commercial securities. The tax-free security debentures grossed up 36,000 into 10 by 100. 3,600. Now to gross up 3,600 into 100 divided by 100 minus 10. 10 is the rate of TDS. So the value is 4,000. 4,000. Next is interest on post office national savings certificate is taxable but eligible for exemption under section 80C. That also when we learn general deductions we will learn value is 5,000. Next is total income from other sources we have to take. The total value is 24,950. 24,950. Now deduction under section 57 for collection charges is allowed. He collected the dividend himself and he asked for exemption. So it is not allowed. When bank is doing it is allowed. So here less deductions under section 57 nil. Under section 57 nil. So taxable income will be 24,950 under income from other sources. Now let us do the next problem. Let us do the next problem. Mr. D is a resident of India. He submits the following information and you are asked to submit his income from other sources for the assessment year 25-26. First is salary rupees 55,600 from ABC College. This will go to income from salary. It will not come here. Second, royalty from writing books rupees 20,000, but he claims rupees 3,000 for proofreading, rupees 400 for the purchase of reference book and rupees 1,600 for telephone expenses. These expenses can be deducted from the royalty. Income from writing articles in newspapers 4,000 taxable. He lives in a rented house paying rupees 3,000 per month. He had sublet one-third portion of that on a rent of rupees 1,500 per month. Municipal taxes for the houses are rupees 5,400 and repairs 6,000. One-third portion of this can be allowed as exemption. He has received rupees 20 per lecture for 60 lectures. He has received rupees 2,600 for university exam related work. He claimed rupees 60 for postal charges. That is not allowed for collecting this amount. He has also received rupees 400 for university invigilation work. His other incomes were card games and betting 6,500, chess 1,500, interest on government Nepal bonds 1,500, all taxable. Received rupees 2,000 as dividend from an Indian company in which public are substantially interested. Income from agricultural land in Punjab 7,000, it's exempted. Agricultural income within India exempted. Rupees 800 per month as scholarship for research work from UGC. That is also exempted. So now we will do the problem. Salary will go to income from salary. So it is not taxable. Next one is royalty 20,000 minus proofreading charges 3,000, reference books 400, telephone charges 1,200. So 5,000 you have to reduce. So you will get 15,000. 20,000 minus 5,000, 15,000. Newspaper articles. For writing newspaper articles 4,000. Now third one, rent from letting out of the house. He is getting 1,500 into 12, 18,000. 18,000 minus he 3,000 is the letting charge. 3,000 into 12 into 1 by 3. Then municipal taxes 1/3 of 5,400. 5,400 into 1 by 3. Next is repairs 6,000 into 1 by 3. 6,000 into 1 by 3. So from 15,000, 18,000 you have to reduce 15,000. So you will get 15,800. When you calculate these values, you will get 15,800. So this value is 2,200. 2,200. 2,200. Next is lecture remuneration 1,200 taxable. 1,200 taxable. Next is university exam remuneration 2,600 plus 400 for invigilation. Total 3,000. Postal charges not allowed. Next is games and betting 6,500, chess 1,000, government of Nepal bonds 1,500. Total is 9,000. 9,000. Next is dividend from an Indian company taxable 2,000. 2,000. Next is agricultural income from Punjab exempted. UGC research scholarship exempted. So total value is 36,400. Less deductions under section 57. He has not claimed anything. Whatever he has claimed, postal charges not allowed. So taxable income from other sources 36,400. So this is what I wanted to explain in this module. Happy learning. Thank you.